All right, I know what you're thinking. That thing is perfect. And you're right. Hey guys, Dave Shipley here, BISH'S RV in Great Falls, Montana. Today we're featuring the 2020 Arctic Wolf 245 RK. If you like what you see, click and subscribe below. We'll be able to take care of you on this camper easily. Coming in at a mere 11,500 pounds, this is a heavy half-ton towable rear kitchen camper. Now, 24 feet behind the truck, so you're roughly overall around 28, 29 feet total, which is perfect for those state parks or even campgrounds that really have a lot of regulations. We're all getting really crunched down on what people are expecting you to haul into their campgrounds with either length, or now sometimes people are crunching down on the year of your camper. So this is absolutely perfect for traveling to those campgrounds and those state parks if you wanted to. Right along the outside, you can see how absolutely gorgeous this thing is. It is a pre-owned unit, but it doesn't look like it when you're outside or on the inside. Massive front storage in the rear. Beautiful little leash latch right here for the pups when you guys are outside enjoying this massive, almost full length lit awning. And a cool little kitchen on the outside. Right next to that kitchen, you're gonna have an outside shower. You can give your pups a little bath if you need to, if you went for a long hike that day. And a place to hang your TV if you want to watch some sports, turn on the game, enjoy a little brew or a perfect beverage outside. Along the rear end here, we have a nice little 300-pound rack if you decided to take a generator or an extra cooler. You could take that rack off and you have a 2-inch receiver below that you could put in a bike rack or even pull maybe a short boat behind you because you already have a 4-way plug back there as well. Also, backup camera prep. Wait till you see the inside of this thing. Let's go on up these solid steps here and take a look. So again, the first thing you're gonna notice about this camper is being pre-owned. It doesn't look like anybody ever walked in this thing. I mean, the countertops are nice, the floor is in perfect condition, but again, for a shorter camper, shorter couples coach, you have this perfect layout of the rear kitchen with your Dometic dual purpose 8 cubic foot refrigerator, nice big freezer on top, tons of space in the refrigerator side as well. You don't have enough room right over here. You have this massive floor to, yep, pretty much the ceiling of the camper on the inside for extra food storage. Oven with a 3-burner stove on top and a nice Furrion microwave, pop some popcorn, make some of those hungry mans while you're on the road. It does come with these absolutely gorgeous theater style seat recliners from Thomas Paine. Those things are top of the line. You can't buy any better. Also notice all the storage around the inside. You have cupboards everywhere, cabinets everywhere, even above your TV. This couch over here actually turns into a hide-a-bed. Super easy to get dialed in. You lift it up, you pull the hide-a-bed out if you had some grandkids going with you or even some extra friends that stopped by. Now, really cool feature in these Arctic Wolves, you're gonna notice the blue accent lighting. Just kind of gives you that feel of being at home, little bit of romance. Really cool feature though to make it stand out above all other fifth wheels. Goes perfectly with your fireplace up here at the front. This fireplace is actually going to put out roughly 3,500 to 4,000 BTUs, which is an electric heater. So say on a cooler spring or summer evening, you just turn on your heater, your fireplace. It's going to warm up this coach in the matter of a few minutes. Right up here on the front end of the coach, you're going to have your pass-through bedroom with a humongous corner bathroom, corner shower. Toilet right here behind the door, which you have tons of leg space, a sink with a mirrored medicine cabinet, and even in the bedroom you have a slide out ward, which gives you that much more storage space for your clothes or even supplies for camping. You're not too cramped up here in this bedroom, which makes it really nice. Either side of the bed, you're also going to notice 110-volt receptacles and USB plugs. So if you wanted to charge your devices at night, you could do that. You also have these cool little LED reading lights. One awesome thing I love about this is the bed tilts. How awesome is that? Tilts you up in the middle of the night so you can hang a TV right here if you wanted to, watch a movie before bed, and just kind of relax and doze off. Another cool feature about this camper is it is 50 amp service prep. So what that means is you have a second place where you can put an AC unit here in the master bedroom. Already pre-wired, we just got to get it installed for you guys. So to touch a couple features again, you got the leash latch for the pups, your outside entertainment, lit awning, tons of storage, basket on the rear. You also have the BAL auto leveling system. So you get the front end of the camper off the truck, you walk in here and you push a button, levels the camper out. If you like what you see, again, subscribe below. I'm David Shipley here at Great Falls, Montana, BISH'S RV, 3928 Tri-Hill Frontage Road. We hope to see you soon.